Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ethel. Today is another day, and in today's video is so we're going to prepare yam balls. Where did be that? You know what I mean. Anyway, in case you've not had yam balls before, today is the day. I'm going to show you guys how I make my homemade yam balls. It's my own recipe, also my mom's recipe as well. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it. I have my mashed yam, which I'm not done yet, and one egg yolk. If I counted the yam, my cooked yam, I would say is 6 or 8 yams, and in here is one egg yolk. Yeah, I have here my cheese, Italian cheese. I'm Italian girl, so that's what I use. I have here butter. I wouldn't use all, it depends on how I'm going to use it. Anyway, in here is cornflakes. So I blended cornflakes, which I'll show you the video as well in this video, and I added my seasoning. So this is going to be my breadcrumbs. I didn't buy breadcrumbs. I did my homemade. I have here my Italian garlic seasoning. I have parsley here, my black pepper, my spring onions, one egg wash. I have here my corned beef, and obviously salt to taste. And I have here my cooking oil, which I will be frying the yam once I'm done with it. I have here my spaghetti spoon. I don't know what it's called. Maybe a spaghetti spoon. I have my colander or my drainer. Yes, and yeah, that's it. What I'm doing here is I'm mashing the yam and mixing it with the egg yolk, making sure it's all combined. You can use your hands, which is even faster, but I don't want to use my hands. Yeah. So I'm trying to mash the yam, mixing it with the egg yolk. So this recipe is my mom's recipe, as I said earlier on. But then I'm adding my own stuff to it. So it's just 1 or 2 things that I've added to it. Everyone can make. If you're making parties like, I don't know, birthdays or maybe a dinner or something, you can even use this for your engagement party. Any occasion. This is quick and easy. So instead of you making meat pies, which is also good, you can add the yam balls to it. Everyone loves yam.